Fae our Ulster the volunteers come, marching along to the beat of the drum. Fae under the shadows of Derry's walls, fae up the Shingle to the foot of the falls. Down they came fae the hills of Donegal, they all would fight and money would fall. Along the 6 mile valley the Antrim throngs they came, for God and Ulster they left their hame. And in their hundreds they come fae the side of the ban, Londonderry heroes they were down to the last man. And in the Lakeland county the Cavan men rise, say goodbye to their kin with tears in their eyes. Fae Omagh to Strabane the Tyrone men stand, willing to lay down their lives in a foreign land. Armagh's saints and scholars baith form up in ranks, they'll stand strong and firm against guns and tanks. Where the mountains of Mourne sweep down to the sea, the down men will fight for their liberty. Fae Clones, Drum and Carrickmacross, the Monaghan men serve, enduring great loss. And in Enniskillen the men of Fermanagh they roar, volunteer en masse like their feathers afore. Aye, fae our Ulster the volunteers come, marching along to the beat of the drum.